On the way, Mills tonight, 20 points and a start. It ties his career playoff high.
Thank you. If you're Ryan Anderson, you got to get onto the left hand of Ginobili.
Mills and Gordon. And picked up, and that was a good call because the position helps Anderson. Here's Harden. Ginobili's on him. He's got, oh, shot! What a play by Ginobili! Knocked it away! San Antonio wins in overtime.
Manu Ginobili, spectacular all evening at both ends of the floor. And when they needed him the most, it was his defense that came up big. The block shot on James Harden. From behind.
Well-timed, well-positioned, and right on it.
I can hear Chuck now. Ginobili getting it done. Giving the Spurs that lift with Kawhi Leonard.